Undertaker Story Part 3 The Boiler Room Match. The build-up when mankind emerges from under the ring to drag the Undertaker inside. The Undertaker sneaks out from the other side and chases him away later. On the next episode of Raw, a battle royal takes place right at the start. The Undertaker rushes the ring and sudden violence breaks out between him and mankind. They fight so brutally that both men end up getting immediate, eliminated. The Undertaker then all the way backstage only to turn around and beat him all the way back to the ring. Backstage, the Undertaker even delivers a Russian's body slam off on the steel. The heat between the two had escalated so much that a boiler room match that was scheduled between them, a truly unique match for its time. The rules of the match: before the match began, Paul Bearer sat inside the ring holding their urn. The match had one simple rules, however, knocks it out of the boiler room first and takes the urn in his hand will be declare the winner. The boiler room brawl. The Undertaker slowly makes his way toward the boiler room and